Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part.
Let's start with pricing because that's where most creators make a quick decision. Subtitle uses a subscription model tailored for social video creators who want fast, automated captions and simple branding tools. The entry-level plan covers shorter videos and limited exports, perfect for individual creators posting regularly on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Higher tier plans increase the number of exports, allow longer video uploads, unlock team collaboration, and offer advanced customization like brand colors, fonts, and logos. Essentially, you're paying for speed and convenience, not just software. Adobe Premiere Pro, on the other hand, operates on a monthly subscription with a professional-grade feature set. The cost is higher, but it gives you access to the full timeline-based editing suite, advanced effects, color grading, audio mixing, and integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps. While Zubtitle is subscription for convenience, Premiere is subscription for professional production, which explains the price difference and value proposition. For creators who need quick social-ready videos, Zubtitle offers a lower upfront commitment, whereas Premiere is an investment in long-term creative flexibility. Zubtitle's features are centered around efficiency and accessibility. Once you upload a video, it automatically generates captions with fairly accurate speech-to-text conversion, letting you skip hours of manual typing. You can choose from a variety of caption styles, add bold highlights, animated text, emojis, and progress bars, all designed to grab attention on social feeds. It's also highly customizable for branding purposes. Add logos, use your brand fonts, and set consistent colors so every video looks polished. Zubtitle lets you resize videos for different social formats without leaving the platform, trim clips quickly, and even create headline text overlays. All these tools are packaged in a clean, intuitive interface, meaning even beginners can produce professional-looking videos without deep editing knowledge. For social media marketers, podcasters, educators, or coaches who publish consistently, this speed and ease of use can save dozens of hours each month. And another important aspect to consider with Zubtitle is its automation and how it impacts workflow efficiency. For creators who publish multiple videos per week, speed isn't just a convenience, it's essential. Subtitle eliminates the tedious process of manually typing captions, syncing text, resizing for different platforms, and adding branded overlays. You can take a single raw video and quickly generate multiple versions for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook without ever leaving the platform. This makes it particularly valuable for marketers, online educators, coaches, and social media managers who need to maintain a consistent posting schedule while saving hours of editing time. Beyond captions, Zubtitle allows for headline generation and call to action placement, helping creators optimize engagement without deep editing knowledge. However, there are some drawbacks. Zubtitle is not a full video editor. You won't find complex timelines, layered effects, cinematic transitions, or advanced color correction, so it's not a replacement for professional editing software. Caption accuracy is strong but not perfect. Fast speech, heavy accents, or background noise may require manual corrections. Subscription costs can feel high if you post sporadically rather than consistently, making it less cost-effective for casual users. Automation is a double-edged sword. It's fast and convenient, but it limits creative control. And if the platform experiences downtime or server delays, it can disrupt your workflow. So while Zubtitle excels in speed, branding, and social optimization, it works best as a specialized tool for short-form creators rather than a comprehensive editing solution. For creators who value efficiency and social-ready content, it's a game changer. But for those seeking full creative control, you'll need additional tools to complement it. Adobe Premiere Pro is a completely different beast. It's designed for creators who need professional-grade editing capabilities for long-form content, YouTube videos, client projects, or even cinematic production. Premiere operates on a timeline-based workflow where you can cut, trim, layer, and manipulate footage down to every frame. Color grading is handled through Lumetri Color, offering precise adjustments, LUT support, and cinematic looks. The audio suite allows for multi-track mixing, noise reduction, and integration with Adobe Audition for professional sound design. Motion graphics can be created natively or imported from After Effects, and Premiere supports virtually every video format, including 4K, 6K, and higher. GPU acceleration ensures smooth performance, while proxy workflows let you edit high-resolution files on slower systems without lag. It's essentially a full production environment rather than just an editing tool. The pros of Adobe Premiere Pro are clear. You get total creative control, professional grade output, scalability for larger projects, and access to regular updates that bring new AI-powered tools, captioning improvements, and workflow enhancements. The flexibility to handle everything from short-form content to feature-length videos makes it ideal for serious creators. On the downside, Premiere has a steep learning curve for beginners, and subscription pricing can be intimidating for casual users. It's also resource-heavy, so older or less powerful computers may struggle with rendering, effects, or high-resolution footage. For someone looking for simple, automated captioning, Premiere can feel overwhelming compared to Zubtitle. Another key advantage of Adobe Premiere Pro is its integration with the wider Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem. You can seamlessly move projects between After Effects for motion graphics, Photoshop for image editing, and Audition for advanced audio processing. This level of integration is a game changer for creators who want to maintain a professional workflow across multiple media types. Premiere also offers AI-powered tools like scene editing detection, auto reframe for social formats, and speech-to-text captioning, which speed up repetitive tasks without sacrificing quality. Multi-camera editing allows you to synchronize footage from different angles in seconds, and the software's metadata management helps keep large projects organized, saving countless hours in post-production. Regarding user ratings, Zubtitle has a limited number of verified Trustpilot reviews, so any public rating should be considered indicative rather than comprehensive. Adobe, on the other hand, has Trustpilot reviews for its Creative Cloud ecosystem, but they cover multiple products, not Premiere Pro exclusively, so take them as a general reference. Always cross-check recent feedback to get the most accurate picture of real-world user experiences. The final takeaway is this: for creators who need speed, automation, and social-ready videos with minimal effort, Subtitle is highly effective. For those seeking total creative control, professional-grade editing, and long-term scalability, Adobe Premiere Pro remains the industry standard. Many creators actually combine the two, Premiere for editing and Subtitle for social optimization, to get the best of both worlds. If this comparison helped clarify your choice, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and support the content. Click the link below to access the software that fits your workflow and start creating smarter, faster, and more efficiently today.